Hello, this is Tooltech Geek. I'm gonna talk about this multi-tool that I made by putting together a bunch of flat plates. I did some upgrades with the screws, and now I'm added a utility blade. It's a really small utility blade to add a cutting functionality. This is from Harbor Freight, and I did some measurements. Then on OpenSCAD I designed the holder, and then I 3D printed it, and so this is a 3D printed version. It's very simple, it prints very quickly. And then now I'm adding the blade to it. These are kind of the tiniest utility blades you can get, and then I'm putting it into the multi-tool there, this time lapse, and in the end it looks pretty good. Holds there in place, and I think it's gonna add a little more usefulness to this DIY multi-tool. Thank you for watching.